Welcome to Module 7, where we're going to cover effective video styles and how to choose the right style to convey the right message. By no means is this the tell-all and the only guideline regarding video styles, but I've chosen some of the most effective ones that I've used over the years or I see constantly throughout social media and the digital space that I've seen work well, and work effectively. We're here about being clear, not clever. We're here about being effective and efficient, not perfect. So check in on what we have next. We're going to be going into a few of them. First one we'll jump into is my favorite and by far what I think is one of the most effective ones right now in 2024 is the floating heads, whether that's static or dynamic. Floating head being pretty much what you're looking at right now. Next, we'll jump into the point and shoot, and then even describe how we can make videos with static images or flyers. Then we'll jump into slideshows or utilizing animations and cartoons or other graphics. Then we'll be jumping into utilizing B-roll, which is something a lot of people don't really think about. And nowadays it's getting easier and easier with the use of AI and the availability of digital content everywhere. Lastly, we're going to jump into utilizing time lapses and some of the features that almost every phone has these days and how to utilize them effectively to create the content that you're going for. And then lastly, we're going to be having some fun. We're definitely going to be tossing in some practical exercises from here on out to make sure you guys try out these styles, techniques, and see what works, what's effective, what really causes engagement, because every style can have a very, very different impact depending upon what your goal is. So check it out, and I can't wait to see you soon.